Hello and welcome back to A Quaint Life. Today is a warm day and the garden is going crazy. I have all sorts of little chores I need to do around the property. But first, let's make some limoncello. With summer just around the corner, I thought it would be fun to make a batch to keep in the freezer for when friends visit. It is a simple process really, and I will link a tutorial from the blog if you'd like to make some yourself. It also makes a really lovely gift as well. As beautiful as summer is, it is my least favorite time of year just because it gets so hot here and at times I don't even want to go outside. But as I get older, I have been finding enjoyable things about this season that we can look forward to, like making limoncello, so that it's not a dreaded time of year, and that has really helped. I am back at the lavender again. This is something I have to do pretty frequently to keep my plants healthy. And I sell bundles from time to time, and I actually have some orders to fill today. The bees are crazy for lavender, so it's best to harvest in the early morning or late evening. But I really don't mind the honeybees. I find they just work around me. After I harvest the lavender, I make them into bundles with some jute twine. I do about 30 lavender stems for each bundle. I love doing this kind of work, just being outside in the shade and listening to the birds. It's so peaceful. Now, if I'm not selling bundles, I usually hang my lavender in the house or give it away as gifts. The garden always needs weeding, and this morning I did a bit, but now the day has gotten too hot to get it all done, so I'm going to leave that for tomorrow morning when it's much cooler to deal with. The chickens need some padding in their nesting box, so I'm going to add some in now while the box is empty. I like to use straw in the boxes because I feel like it's easier to clean than the wood shavings are. Our orange tree is still pretty loaded with oranges and even has new oranges already starting to form, so I need to get the rest off the tree to make room for the new growth. I have way too many to eat all on our own, so I'm going to be taking some to my mom and to a few friends. And finally, now to try out our first batch of limoncello for the season. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you in the next one.